Introducing the CIC C200 Mini Hearing Aid, a mini digital hearing aid that is perfect for the elderly with light to moderate hearing loss. This hearing aid is rechargeable and wireless, making it easy to use and convenient. The hearing aid is adjustable and has a maximum saturation sound pressure level, SSPL, of less than or equal to 110 dB, HFA SSPL 90 of 106 dB, peak gain of 35 dB, and HFA full-on gain of 30 dB. The frequency range is 200 Hz, 5000 Hz, and the total harmonic distortion, THD, is F500Hz 3%, F800H 3%, F1600 Hz 1%. The hearing aid has an intelligent noise reduction system that detects and recognizes the noise wave, changes the gain of the channel where the noise is located, and makes normal speed more clearly. The ultra-low machine itself background noise and ultra-lightweight body make it comfortable to wear. The hearing aid also has a trimmer BC that adjusts volume control to adapt to different environments, and 6 earplugs, 2 types and full 3-size earplugs make it more fit and comfortable to the ear canal. The comfort threshold control and automatic gain control output provide hearing protection. The CIC C200 Mini Hearing Aid is perfect for those who want a comfortable and effective hearing aid that is easy to use and convenient.